Hello! In this video, we're going to solve exercises on convection. Let's start with the first exercise. A balloon will float upwards in a current of air if you place it above a hot heater. What is the name for this current of air? Well, a heater is mounted on a wall in the room. This heater heats the air above it. Then, the heated air will rise since it has a less density as we have justified earlier, and the cooler air will sink because it has higher density. Therefore, there will be convection currents where the hot air rises and the cooler air, which is denser, sinks. This creates convection currents in the room, and therefore the balloon will float upward as a result of the convection currents presented. Let's check it. And that's correct. Let's move to the second question. A beaker of water is heated by a Bunsen burner. Which picture below shows how the water in the beaker will move? The first one, the cold water rises and the hot water sinks, or they are moving this way, the hot water moves upwards and the cold moves downwards, or in this random way, or as the fourth choice where the hot water rises and the cold water sinks in a circular motion. What's your answer? So in comparison to the convection currents created by the hot heater in a closed room where the warm air rises and the cool air sinks, this is the same that happens in the beaker when it's heated by a Bunsen burner. The Bunsen burner will heat the liquid inside this beaker, and when this liquid is heated, when part of this liquid is heated, then it will expand. This causes its density to decrease, as we have discussed earlier, and when the density decreases, this causes the floating of this liquid, and when the hot liquid is floated, the cold one will sink. Therefore, there will be a convection current inside this beaker where the hot liquid rises and the cold liquid sinks. So, the best figure that represents this phenomena is the fourth choice. That's correct, since the hot water is less dense than that of the cold water. Thanks for watching.